Yeah, hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Bodende, the founder and the main instructor here at Educate. The main goal of my channel is to bring you real value and high quality videos related to online business and digital marketing in order for you to grow your business online. This video tutorial is going to be all about my success story on Upwork, and I'm going to be sharing my experience so far on Upwork, how I've been able to make progress on Upwork. And today's video is going to be the part one of the video. In my subsequent videos that will be coming up, I will advise you to follow me closely, because by the end of these videos you'll be able to start earning money on Upwork. And today's video is going to be all about answering questions. I discovered that so many people, whenever I tell them about Upwork, they ask me so many questions. So in this video I'm going to answer all those questions, and I will be able to settle your mind regarding those questions. So right now, let's go straight to my laptop while I show you these questions and answer them. And meanwhile, if you really want to follow me on this journey, I would like you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. All you need to do is click on the subscribe button, click on the notification button, share with your friends, those that are looking for ways to make money online, and whenever I put up any video, you'll get notification immediately, and you'll be able to follow this video part by part. Right now, let's go. I welcome you once again to this tutorial. This is going to be the part one of the tutorial of A to Z guide to earning on Upwork. And in this particular tutorial, it's going to be all about questions and answers. So I'm going to be answering some few questions that people have been asking me about Upwork. And I believe by the end of this video, you'll be able to get a clear understanding of what Upwork looks like. So the first question that people normally ask me is, what is Upwork? I would say Upwork is a great place to find more clients and run your own business and choose your own clients and projects. You have the freedom to work on any project of your choice. Upwork is a platform that is made up of two kinds of people. It's either you are hiring or you are the person working for someone. And some set of people come on Upwork to post jobs, and some set of other people come on Upwork to get the job done. So in this case, you will be under the category of people that will be coming to Upwork to get the job done. You can also be one posting the job for other people to do. Either ways, it works. So the next question that people also ask me is, people tend to ask that what projects can be done on Upwork. Okay, I would say anything you can do on a computer can be done through Upwork. Think of the applications that you can use: Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, Photoshop, and so on. Anything you can carry out on the computer system can be done on Upwork. So the next question is, how do I get hired by clients? What I normally recommend, these 2 points. You must start by creating an outstanding profile to showcase your professional skills, experience, and portfolio, education, and accomplishment. These are important. Second one is sending the client a compelling proposal. Most especially, the part of proposal is very compulsory, because this is a way you can convince your client to hire you. But don't worry about that. As we go on in this tutorial, there's going to be a part that I'm going to teach you how to write a good proposal that every client will be interested in. So this will greatly improve your probability. Getting a good proposal will improve your probability of getting an interview. So consider making sure yours is professional, well written, and error free, tailor made for the work you are craving, and a true indication of your strength and skills. So I think that is clear enough. So let's move to the next question, which is Upwork good for beginners or people with no experience at all? My answer will be yes. Upwork is a promising freelancing job platform for beginners, even for people without experience, because this platform is made up of over 1.5 million clients to work with. So if you don't have an experience, all you need to do is build up your portfolio from the scratch. I would suggest you watch videos of areas you want to specialize in order to get a better view of what it's like and get better at it. Then you make sure you get a good profile picture for yourself, including your language skills, if more than one. Create a sample of your works for proofs, because at times your clients will want you to show the proof of some of your recent jobs. And another thing you need to look at is starting with low paying jobs. Don't go for all those high jobs. Start with low rate jobs. And also your per hour charges should be like $5 for a start. And with time you can increase it. Another thing I will ask you to do is make sure you stay active. Lastly, don't be too desperate. What did I say? Don't be too desperate. Okay, we'll now move to the next question on our list. The next question is, what type of job can one do or can one go for on Upwork? Okay, I will say for me, data entry is my own area. I'm a specialty in data entry jobs. So you can also go for Microsoft Office jobs. Good knowledge of Microsoft Office will earn you a lot of money on Upwork. For example, Google Doc and Dropbox. You can be a virtual assistant also. You can also be a web developer. There are so many jobs on Upwork. And many more. You can just do your research. You know the areas that you are specializing. You do this research and you get more information about that area. Almost all areas are available on Upwork. So the next question on my list is, how can I grow my income on Upwork? Okay, for me, I will give you 4 important keys to success on Upwork. For me, these 4 keys has been the main thing behind the success so far. Number 1, you need to be responsive to your clients' needs. Another thing is that excellent communication with your client is very important. And meeting up with deadlines is important also. And lastly, you must be able to deliver excellent work on time and work every time. This is very, very important because there is a part on Upwork that has to do with rating. If you are able to deliver good jobs, if you are able to deliver good jobs at every time, you get a review from time to time from your clients talking about your services and giving you like 5 stars, because the stars are very important. You need to work towards getting more stars. The higher your star, the higher the probability of you getting hired by clients. I believe this is also clear enough. So right now let's move on to the next question. The next question that people will ask is it flexible to work on Upwork? My answer to that is yes. It is. With Upwork, you have the independence and flexibility to control when, where, and how you work. And you can send and receive files in a safe environment, secure file when you are exchanging files is between you and your client. You can share feedback in real time and communicate via text, chat, or video. You can also use an Upwork mobile app on your mobile phone when you are on the go. That means even though you are not in front of your desktop, you'll still be able to do your normal routine on Upwork. You can still communicate with your client even though you are not in front of your desktop. I think that is also a good one. So the next question that I would like to answer is, how long does it take to complete a job? Well, it depends on two conditions, because on Upwork is either you work on hourly project or a fixed price project. So what do I mean by hourly project? This can be done automatically or manually. You will have access to a work diary on Upwork, which helps ensure you are paid for the work you do. That means every job you do per hour, there's a system that monitors it. Once you register the hours done, Upwork system will be the one to calculate your total income at the end of the stipulated hours. So the fixed price project has to do with, there's what we call milestone and deadline, which your client will pay you the portion of, let me put it this way. The fixed price project has to do with, let's say for instance your client gave you a job to provide him, let's say, a list of 100 companies. So what you are going to do is, you can agree with your client that, once I deliver the first 50, you are going to pay me this so amount, and when next I deliver the rest, you pay me my balance. So this is what a fixed price project looks like. It's just a way of breaking down the jobs into segments. And when you submit work for each milestone, your client will release funds for you from the escrow upon approval. So the next question I would like to address is there a service fee for working on Upwork? You already know the answer. Yes. Upwork charges a fee of 20% for the first $500 bill with a client, and 10% for lifetime billing with the client between $500 and $100 and $10,000, and 5% for lifetime billing with the clients that exceed $10,000. What do I mean? For example, if you agreed to a $1,000 price for a job with a new client, you will be billed 20% on the first $500 and 10% on the remaining $500. I think that is clear. So the next question is, am I required to verify my ID? Yes. Yes is the answer, because on Upwork is a secure place for transactions, so your identity needs to be verified. Upwork is a professional and secure marketplace that clients, freelancer, and agencies meet to do different job transactions. You go through two verification process, which are: number one, you will provide a valid government issue ID or international passport. These are mode, maybe driving license. You need to verify that you are not a robot, you are a real person. And the second thing you are going to need, you will have to complete a video call verification with the Upwork agent. This will be done after you have uploaded the required ID. Some other information will be required of you. So once you upload them, then you will get an email that will schedule a particular time that you have to speak to one of their agents to get you approved. They will check your ID. It's going to be a video call, and you will be required to show your ID card to them, and it must correspond with the one you uploaded. So the next question I would like to address is what does the badge on people's profile stand for? Okay, if you look at the screen right now, this is my I just did a screenshot of my profile. You can see this mark here. This is what the badge looks like. So it will get to a particular time that Upwork will require you to get verified in order to get this badge on your profile. Immediately you get verified with your ID, and after the video call, they will let you know that okay, in the next few 24 hours or so, they will put the badge on your profile. Once you are registering on Upwork, if you take a look at your profile, this badge will not be there, but immediately you get verified, this badge will appear on your profile, showing that you are a legit person on Upwork. So it stands for identity verification. Once Upwork verify your identity through your ID, you will receive an identity verified package on your profile. So now that will take us to the next question. How long will it take for me to get verified? Well, so many people will want to know that, okay, how long will it take for me to get verified? And will it take so much time? Oh, for me, the process took just 10 minutes. But for some cases, Upwork may need more time to review the information you submitted, and it can take a day or two. But one thing you need to note, your account can be on hold if you don't verify it as soon as possible. So I encourage you, immediately you get an email from them that you need to upload your ID to get verified, make sure you do that on time, because if you don't do that on time, it shows that okay, maybe you are not a real person, or maybe your motive on Upwork is different from what others come to Upwork to do. So with these questions that I've been able to answer, I believe you can easily get started on Upwork today. You don't need to wait till tomorrow. Just get onto your desktop or your mobile and start the registration. All you need to do is go to www.upwork.com and get yourself registered. I believe this tutorial has been able to show more light regarding Upwork, and I will want to say to you all that if you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also remember to click the notification button so that when next I upload the part 2 of this video tutorial, you will be the first person to get notified. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video.